visits to the flag from President and Presley. And to the plug with Durr spools from Olivia and her brother. She takes care of her baby sister and her daddy and her mother and her baby sister and her dog and excuse me. And my bibs and a bird clock and a playground and leaves and a clock in the dining room table and a stool and a car and a pretend car and keys and a dog named Bailey and a vacuum and flowers and bunk beds and a crib and mommy and arms and chest and shoulders, knees and toes.
Sounds good.
Now can you take a picture of me?
Sure. Say bye.